Go.
Fish on.
Oh, he's digging now.
Oh, we just got a home run too on the Cardinal game at the same time.
The 11th home run of the year, tying the game at 1.
Oh, there he goes.
That's a big one, dude.
Flip that ball out of here.
There's some head shakes.
Oh, we gotta get him up over that hump.
Want me to reel these in, or I should leave them out there? Yeah. You want me to grab a net here? I'll grab a net.
No.
Oh, we need the net.
No, leave it down. I got these strippers.
But he was right on that pitch. And
Take your time with them. Is your drag good? This is probably a good cat. This is probably, I'm guessing 10-pounder, yeah.
that's his first home run. That's the 17th of June against Miami.
He's gonna come up here now.
He hit that all the way to Hernandez. That's Wayne,
I'm not live. I'm taking a video though. Oh yeah, some big head shakes. That's your biggest fish all year probably. Get that rod tip up.
They always feel bigger in the current, though.
This is a good fish, dude. I saw those head shakes, I could tell. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, keep him down. It's probably just like the one I caught last week. You want to do the grabbers or do you want me to?
No, I'll get you going.
Alright, I'm going to try to do these in the camera at the same time. Drop my phone in the water.
Hold on, because he's going to run again.
Well, you want to bring him up to the side up here? Don't let him get buried on this wing dike we're on. There he is. Look at that.
Shit. Just in that other line.
Don't worry. Take your time with him. He's hooked good. The current's a bitch. Just work him to you. Oh, not the death roll on the other line. Okay, I'm going to set this camera down to land this fish.
Oh, he got undone. No,
It's alright. Just go with it. We'll deal with it later. He's... Home stretch, buddy. Oh, he's hooked good, dude. You're good. He's hooked really good.
It's a commitment my family takes seriously.
Yeah! Hey, grab him from me. I'm gonna get this on camera. That's a great fish.
look at that circle hook, boy.
Yeah. 5:15, maybe 20. Nice. Alright, end the video and I'll take a couple pics.